Hello, YouTube world. How you doing? I'm here to show you my website. Basically, everything that you might need uh, when it comes to looking to do something online. I have several different opportunities that you could try if you're interested in trying something new. You might have already be involved or whatever. Like I say, I have possibly something that you'd be interested in. If you're interested in investing, entrepreneurship, all of that, affiliate marketing, doing anything online, CPA marketing, all of that stuff. And if you're interested in it or learning about it or whatever, um, I'm showing you my website. Okay, check it out. I've done this website with the Conversion Pros, and first starting off, it has a link to earn easy commissions. Then I have the Dosh app, another way to get paid. Also, Builder Auto affiliate program. I deal with them too. ClickFunnels, Conversion Pros, and then I have the $25 one up, another good way to make some money online. And then Shopify, if you're interested in that. And I have the Easy Cash Code six figure blueprint if you're interested in checking that out. I also have the lead lighting marketing funnel. It's only $7, it's one time fee. And then I have the Turbo 3 cash machine. And hey, it's only $3 and it works great. Then I have the Global Money Line. I haven't really dealt with it that much. Then I have Online Sales Pro, which I'm affiliate of. Um, like I say, every time that I discover something that affiliate wise that you might be interested in, I add and grow this website out, and it's really designed to be so that way I don't have to send you to a bunch of different websites and links. It's just one link designed for you to go through and try, multiple websites. Gives you access to all of that. And like I say, with several of these websites, like let's say this right here, the Earn Easy Commissions is free. It's basically a CPA program, and Dosh. I don't know if you've heard about it. It's like cash back if you shop at certain places once you link a debit card or credit card to it, and one of those places being Dunkin' Donuts. So if you like Dunkin' Donuts, it's cash back with that. Builder All. It's the all-in-one platform to where you can do capture pages, build websites, all of that. ClickFunnels. If you know about who Russell Branson is, it's that's that. You know what I'm saying, hands down. The Conversion Pros. It has right there. Have like a list of things you can do with Conversion Pros, and then the $25 one up. It's relatively new and it's all in one. It's a lot of people came together and made that platform, so definitely check that out. And then Shopify, um, like I say, if you're into e-commerce, if you're into e-commerce or whatever, it's one of the leading platforms for you to do e-commerce or whatever. I know you probably see Alex Beck on there talking about doing, you know, a bunch of e-commerce stuff with Shopify and opening up a Shopify store. And then you have the Easy Cash Code, and it's like I say, it's a training system or whatever to teach you how to market online, and it's great. Um, the lead lightning marketing funnel is good. It's very simple. Starts off with a very simple funnel, and then it builds up to more than that. And then the $3 turbo uh, cash machine. Like I say, it's only $3, and um, it like when you read it, when you go to the website, when you click right there to go to the website, it will tell you everything you need to know, and you will see the unlimited possibilities that you have. Um, the money line, I haven't really dealt with that very much, so I'm not really gonna talk about it unless you just read about it. Online Sales Pro, it's like I say, it's another platform like ClickFunnels or Conversion Pros or um, Builderall, all of that. They all do different stuff, and they all do give you a different flavor. It's like different cars, you know what I'm saying? Like they're all different um, versions of luxury cars, and it's up to you to decide which one is the best. But I put it out there like this. Um, Try them all, and on the other side of that, it's just another way to finance your ambition, your goals, and to make money online. It's just another avenue. You know what they say, multiple streams of income, and that's what this website is about. If you're interested in doing multiple streams of income online, so I think that's everything, and I will be adding more to the website, and I also have training. I'm always about that. So, whatever information I get, if you're interested, um, or if you're something that you want to learn about, or for me to do some research on, comment down below, and I'll look into it. Other than that, just see you later.